suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
That's grammatically wrong, you know that, right?
I don't care. Suck every single person's mother.
No.
Yeah.
No, you're saying it wrong. You're saying it wrong, baby.
Suck your mother.
That's how you say it. She look vexed, but I don't know she good.
No one can vex me.
She a pray me God's a nation. Say me I talk to too much girl, but me I tell her say they're just fans. Right?
There's a difference between talking to girls and groupies.
Groupies are also fans, baby. They need to be treated like fans. You gotta treat them with love.
You gotta treat them like groupies.
They're gonna buy the tickets and come to the shows, baby.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So guys, in this video today, Sidem on the ear, she a cuss Badword. She a tell some people to go SYM. You understand, because she upset. But I know who she feel upset with. She upset with the Gaza boss. You understand, guys? If you watch my previous video, you know, me tell you, you know, me know this is going to cause problem, you know, guys. Because Kartel, he was seen in Panama flirting with some fans, so-called fans. But Sidem, I call them groupie. Yeah, man. So Sidem, she's very, very upset. She in her feelings. She said the group of them, they all over Vibes Kartel. Yeah. And me see one person a comment and I say, oh, Sidem come between Shawty and Vibes Kartel. So what she think? She not expects the other woman that will come between she and Kartel. But guys, me tell you, you know, you love run with phone narrative, you know. You don't know what happened to the people in life. You don't know what happened between Kartel and Shawty, why them break up. So why you not go come to the conclusion and say, I see them, mash them up. You know, stop it, man. You understand, guys? But anyway, you don't move a muscle. As soon come back with the video, make you hear what I want.
Hey, Conley, up to the time, you know.
Put them sing pan leaf. Yes, me up to the time. Down to the minute. Some boy put them sing.
Welcome back, guys. Come back with talk about this. So as me I say, guys, Sidem, she's all up in her feelings. And guys, you can see the hurt in her eyes. Because she just drink the liquor, so. You understand? I remember, you know, when a woman is upset, you know, and they don't want to get angry, or then there's somewhere where them can't behave badly, then just go take the drinking for it. You know, because she in a public space. But as me saying in my previous video, guys, I want to know if you go watch that video there, when me talk about Kartel flirting and kissing on another girl's neck. Yeah, man, me feel like at a video they see them see. You understand? At a video they she see why she all up in her feelings. Because Vibes Kartel I tell her, say, look here, baby, they are just fans. And she said, no, they are groupies. You understand? She even send a shout out to the persons them we have her back online. We stand up for her. You understand what they on her side? And Kartel I tell her, say, baby, there is no side. Yeah, but you know, we know, say, there are sides. Because everybody have them favorite. And then drag her enough online. Yeah, man, just because she's a different nation, she's not Jamaican, them drag her. You understand? See now one person I will say, oh, she come between Kartel and Shawty. How is that when you don't even know what happened between Shawty and Vibes Kartel? But I'm going to take a listen now. Here we go on, guys. And then we talk again.
I said everyone that supports me and drags others, go you guys.
I don't understand what that means.
Everyone that's on my side.
Baby, there is no side. I'm on your side. You don't need nobody else on your side. I'm on your side. And you're not fat, so it's easy to be on your side. Get it?
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking what you drinking. You want my boss the SAS of Spain?
What's everything?
Shit.
I'm on one tonight.
People, you hear me? No, she looked like she had a little too much to drink. I don't know. What do you think, Gaza Nation? I think she had a little bit too much to drink. I would have to look my woman, but Sidem is so beautiful.
I think I'm just hitting the nail on things. The head on the nail on heads. The head on the nail.
No, the nail on the head.
I think I've been drinking too much.
Yeah, drink, baby. Drink
On my
me,
fourth
baby.
glass,
Drink
and
me,
I don't
baby.
drink.
She does drink.
I don't drink. But
She only drink.
You hear what she says? She says she not drink. But because she upset why she had drink so much, because that's what Vice Kartel say. Vice Kartel say she only drink when she is upset. You understand how Vice Kartel say? I know me make you upset. You make the people online make you upset. And she has said the groupies they make you upset. So I know say the video because no matter what we never see them this upset yet. Them go out, them have fun, him take picture with the whole heap of girls. And the first time he take picture with girls. But at this one in particular, where Vibes Kartel was kissing on the girl neck back, why see them all up in her feelings? And I don't blame her. I don't blame her. Any woman would feel, remember I know guys, me I tell you if you watch the first video when I put up, when me I say, if him not do it in a disrespectful way towards Sidem, or Sidem was there, and you know she not feel no way, she just know says the fans. But watching this video now shows me that she felt some type of way. She feels some type of way. And any woman, superstar or no superstar, whether your man want to be superstar or no superstar, you don't want to see your man all up on a woman. Understand and voluntarily kiss somebody pan their neck back. You understand, up so close and personal with them. You go feel a way. Any woman go feel a way about that.
She only drinks when she's angry.
You can't make me angry.
Read between the lines. Let me make you angry. You know who make you angry?
Who?
People that should make you angry, baby.
Groupies.
You know what? I now do this video, you know. I don't know where you're talking about.
Who are you talking about?
So who are you talking about? What
I don't
groupies?
know, because everyone online's been chatting, saying this, that, and the other, so I thought you were referring to that.
Oh, God's a nation. I tell her, say, she can't listen to what people say online. Because everybody have them opinion. See? So, if somebody has support you, you support them. If somebody not support you, fine.
People, I don't know how long Vibes Kartel go stay at one burner, you know. Because no member say this a man you say love them, tender touch them, different girl every day. And see the girl them a come in a bungle already. See them, you're in for a rocky ride. Saddle up. Cause them girl of them eye dry. Also during the live, you know the song where Kartel sing for Shorty we say, see it here, my heart you want to rip out. You know like see them she a sing it. And Kartel say to her say, it's not your song, baby. You know some persons that say you can't see Kartel kind of feel a way them don't know if a short him I think about when him say that or him feel a way because see them a sing the song and him have to tell see them say I know for your song.
See it there?
No, baby, I know your song.
See it there?
See it, yeah.
See them don't care who for song, she a sing it same way. Her man sing it so she a sing it same way. Yeah man, I'm love how the teacher big up Bounty Killer. Yeah man, I make you know say Bounty Killer and daddy nothing at all, no change. Me respect that man.
Big up, save you. Yeah man, remember good now man. This is Bounty Killer forward from Rodney Price to my father. Yeah man, this is the thing that man, the whole East man, Windward Road man. Nothing no change.
Nothing at all, the boss say no change. Mad respect goes out to Bounty Killer. Cause I don't know if I never Bounty there wouldn't be a Vibes Kartel. So maximum respect for that, for the shout out to Bounty Killer. And I wish Kartel and Sidem all the best with them relationship. Sidem, you're in for a rocky ride. Cause me I tell you the truth, I don't know how much longer Vibes Kartel can remain a one burner when the girl them a dash out. The girl them ready for send on. The girl them ready for hang on. Cause remember, a one world boss, a one Gaza, a one Gaza done. You understand? Guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Walk good, spread love. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
Hey, Conley, up to the time, you know.
Put them sing pan leaf. Yes, me ask. Up to the time. Down to the minute. Some boy put them sing pan leaf. Yes, me ask. Most of them are. Them are the girls that like juicy beat. You know, me worry. Timeless.